Hi, I'm Kevin Griffin Moreno, Senior Program Officer with the Baltimore Community Foundation, here with an update on the Fund for Rebuilding Baltimore. On June 9th, the Committee of Foundation Trustees and Community Volunteers that oversees the fund approved a total of $114,000 in grants to 10 organizations. Grant recipients included Baltimore Greenworks, Citizenship Law-Related Education Program, Maryland New Directions, Wide Angle Youth Media, Youth as Resources, Druid Heights Community Development Corporation, and Episcopal Community Services of Maryland, all of which are performing youth employment and youth leadership development services for young people in Baltimore. Other grantees included Latino Economic Development Center and Southeast Community Development Corporation, which are helping businesses in Baltimore recover from damages incurred during the week of April 27th, and Alternative Directions Incorporated, which provides civil legal services to low-income residents of Baltimore City. To date, the fund has received $584,000 in gifts and pledges, and donations continue to come in. On June 8th, the Hippodrome Foundation presented BCF with a check for $42,000, representing donations that had been collected by the cast and crew of Dirty Dancing from Hippodrome patrons. For additional details about our June grantees and for more information about the fund, please visit www.bcf.org/rebuildingbaltimore and stay tuned for additional updates about the fund. From all of us here at BCF, thank you for your support.